population of Haiti is over 10 million people, with nearly 2.2 million living in the capital city of Port-au-Prince. As the Caribbean's first independent country, Haiti had been one of the wealthiest islands in the Caribbean, at one time called the Pearl of the Caribbean. In 2010, after a devastating earthquake which destroyed 1 out of 10 homes in the capital city of Port-au-Prince, Haiti Invest was formed. Haiti Invest was formed with the goal of assisting in the reconstruction of the country and helping it develop a sustainable and substantial industrial base. Haiti's government has estimated the death toll at 230,000 lives. Many people lost everything they own and are still searching for hope. Haiti Invest is focused on making that hope real. Haiti Invest consists of patriotic Haitians who intend to create in Haiti a strong, privately funded economic backbone, which will help the country and its people enter a new era of prosperity and progress. Our plan will begin in Mole St. Nicholas because of its natural topography. It is the only site in Haiti capable of handling the 5 key pillars planned for the project. Haiti Invest will create a foundation for economic growth and job creation in Haiti, which is dynamic, growth-oriented, and environmentally conscious, using a master project with 5 key elements to put Mole and Haiti on the global map. The first element of our plan is a modern transshipment container port. The Mole St. Nicholas is the deepest and best protected natural port in the region, which can accommodate any vessel in existence or planned. It is right on the Windward Passage, which is one of the heaviest international container traffic lanes in existence. A transshipment container port which, in addition to creating thousands of new and sustainable jobs, an estimated 10,000, will give access to cheaper inbound and outbound shipping transport. Such costs in Haiti being now among the highest in the world, thus making Haiti's commodity exports, e.g. mining and agricultural products, uncompetitive and the import of basic necessities excessively expensive. On the other side of the peninsula will be a major ship recycling and repair facility. A facility that, while in compliance with the strictest environmental standards applicable in the US and in Europe, would create thousands of new and sustainable jobs, lead to the creation of a whole new steel cottage industry in Haiti, creating still more employment, substitute imports with local production, and earn substantial foreign exchanges for Haiti through the export of steel scrap production. A ship recycling and repair facility will address the global need for cost-effective and environmentally safe recycling of obsolete ships and obsolete petroleum platforms, as well as their repair. Ship recycling is a type of ship disposal involving the breakup of ships for scrap recycling, with the hulls being cut and recycled in foundries. Haiti Invest plans to do this using a new revolutionary model of dry dock systems developed by Green Dock Licence Pte. Co. Limited in Singapore from Dutch origin, a marine engineering firm and a strategic partner. Through Green Dock's process, hazardous materials and wastes will be handled without contamination. In practice, this will mean that over water or over soil sand recycling will not be considered acceptable, but only movement of the entire ship to an impermeable, fully contained and controllable floor area, such as is provided by a dry or graving dock. Dry dock or graving dock floors will be washed daily, and waters and cleaning residues managed as potential hazardous wastewater. At the front of the peninsula will be a local cement factory. A cement factory which will create thousands of new and sustainable jobs, as well as provide Haiti with more affordable cement for its reconstruction. The project will use all primary materials from its own quarries, free from the cost of international freight and aided by the lowest labour costs in the Western Hemisphere, will establish the most competitive cement business in Haiti and the surrounding regions. A power plant. The peninsula of the Mole is the best location in Haiti for generating energy through wind turbines, a key element of the proposed power plant, which is intended to provide affordable energy to the project, the Mole community, and nearby communities. The key objectives of Haiti Invest and of the Mole project are to ensure the development of Haiti, both industrially as well as socially. Since the 2010 earthquake, restoring housing in Haiti has been one of the greatest challenges. Haiti Invest will construct residential settlements in the mole to accommodate the employees involved in the construction and operation of the different elements of the project. Many of the NGO-sponsored housing projects in Haiti consist of little rows of very small houses with no utilities, an approach that is bound to create negative social consequences in the long term. Consistent with its objective of creating a model mole community, Haiti Invest proposes to do much better and create an example that can be emulated throughout Haiti. Haiti Invest will provide education and vocational training following models and curricula defined by the Haitian government. Technical education tailored for the new positions created by the industrial elements of the project, as well as access to full education for the new generations, including incentive schemes for children and young adults. Haiti has 1,700 kilometers of coastline and 5,000 square kilometers of continental shelf. Its fishing industry includes 52,000 fishermen in over 420 fishing communities. A fishing element will help the local community develop its fishing industry and provide for the needs of the growing mole community through training, the provision of adequate equipment and tools, as well as Work for Tools program. Properly supported and marketed, the mole region's fishing industry would quickly become a major engine powering the region, and eventually the country's economic recovery as the fishing element of the project is extended to other regions of Haiti. Rebuilding and restoring rural Haiti is one of the primary ingredients in its future transformation and development. In the 1980s, Haiti was nearly self-sufficient in food and agricultural production. Most of its farmers could earn a living and the Haitian population could purchase locally produced food. Today, at least 57% of Haiti's food is imported, and Haiti's agriculture remains in shambles due to economic and trade policies that have debilitated local food production and rural development. Haiti Invest intends to revive the farming potential of the Northwest. Along with these other social development projects, we see potential tourism attractions for Haiti in the mole region. There are vestiges of colonial forts, all in very poor conditions and badly needing repair, which can be found in several locations on the island, which would make for a desired tourist attraction. With all elements proposed, Haiti Invest is looking to the future. The mole project, creating 200,000 new jobs, is just the beginning. The long-term vision behind the development of Haiti is centered on rebuilding the nation and turning the January 12, 2010 disaster into an opportunity for Haiti to become an emerging country in 2030.